Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the benefits of learning algorithms in education. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. In the article written by Isaac Iduwo on the website blogschooltry.com, published in April 4, 2022, we have here the benefits of learning algorithms in education. Benefits of learning algorithms in education. Learning algorithms can be described as a major aspect of computer science, which can also be used in fields like psychology, medicine, transportation, and education. Learning algorithm is a set of instruction used in machine learning that allows a computer program to imitate the way a human gets better at characterizing some types of information. The math and logic that supports a learning algorithm can update itself over time without human intervention as the programming becomes exposed to more data. Learning algorithms are useful in both supervised and unsupervised machine learning, but they can reach use in different ways. Supervised learning algorithms requires training data to be labeled, while unsupervised learning algorithms look for patterns to characterize input. In general, what our learning algorithms have in common is their ability to extrapolate information from training data and use what they learn to make predictions about new input. According to Technopedia, benefits of learning algorithms in education, here are some the benefits of using learning algorithms. It makes learning easier. Just like every other aspect of computer science and technology, learning algorithms makes learning easier, and since they are useful in both supervised and unsupervised learning, it makes every task easy for the students. Number 2, enhance students' career goals. Students who are very skilled in understanding learning algorithms are more open to choosing their career field based on their strengths and their ability to perform better in a field they are skilled at and are also passionate about. Third, it provides clarity. Learning algorithms makes it easier for students to understand their major strengths and skills, which enable them to understand what works for them and what doesn't, thereby enhancing clarity in their ability to become better. So that's it, no? That's the benefits of learning algorithms in education. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.